Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love salads and enjoy them all year round. Of course, during the summer, I have my favorites like strawberry salad, tabbouleh, salad niçoise, asparagus summer salad, cucumber salad, and others, including this one, Quinoa Summer Salad. With fresh ingredients along with feta cheese, this recipe is so tasty. It's summer in a bowl. I like to top it with my creamy cilantro lime dressing that I posted last week. So let's get cooking. After the quinoa has been soaked for at least 2 hours, rinsed and well drained, we'll transfer it to a saucepan. We'll pour in a couple cups of cold water and add some ground sea salt. We'll turn the heat on high, give a quick stir, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover, reduce the heat to low, and cook for 15 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 8 minutes before transferring it to a salad bowl. To this, we'll add smoked ham, some cucumbers, as well as mixed cherry tomatoes, diced red peppers, followed by orange peppers and red onions, also diced, a can of corn kernels, but you can always use fresh if you prefer, a can of sliced black olives, some crumbled feta cheese, and then chopped cilantro. We'll gently toss the ingredients until nicely mixed. We'll serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Quinoa Summer Salad. Light and so tasty, this colorful salad is loaded with flavor. It's easy to make and a great lunch recipe or side dish. As I mentioned in the intro, I like to top it with my creamy cilantro lime dressing. These two go so well together. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!